Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to check your PC's specification in Windows. I will share 3 simple methods to do this step by step. So let's get started. Method 1. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type DXDIAG and hit enter. The DirectX Diagnostics tool will open and displaying basic system information like processor, memory and Windows version on the first tab. Method number 2. Right click on the start button and select system. Here you will see your PC's processor, RAM and Windows version under the about section. Method 3. Search for system information. Now explore tabs like system summary, components and storage for in-depth details. So this is it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips.